there, Crystal, Justin, and McGuire here with oursleepguide.com.
Today we're excited to be able to try out the Layla mattress, and we're just going to unbox this and do a quick preview for you, and then we're going to come back and we're going to have the full extensive review. So here we go. Okay, you just saw us unbox the Layla mattress, and right out of the gate, this is going to have some softness to it. So for those of you who like a little bit of a softer bed, that's my initial feeling. Now, it does take a while for foams to fully expand out to their true feel. So it is going to be interesting within the next few days of trying this mattress out, how it's going to feel for us. And there is some actual adjustability that you can do with this particular mattress, and we'll get more into that during our review. Crystal, what do you think?
Right out of the gate, I will say I did notice a little bit of off-gassing, so you probably do want to let it breathe a little bit before putting any mattress cover sheets over it. So that would be my suggestion. You definitely can tell that this is the softer side. So, I mean, it'll be interesting to feel how this firms up over the next 24 hours and how it sleeps. So I'm definitely interested to see how this one works out for us.
So in the meantime, just go back over to oursleepguide.com, check out our other reviews, definitely our coupon page, and we'll be back to you guys in the next few days to be able to really give you a more in-depth personal review of the Layla mattress. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.
Bye.